Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Copilot, ChatGPT and Deepseek. When comparing Copilot, ChatGPT and Deepseek, each of these AI tools has distinct use cases and capabilities depending on the user's needs. Copilot is primarily an AI tool designed for software developers integrated with code editors like Visual Studio Code. Powered by OpenAI's GPT models, Copilot assists in coding by providing real-time code suggestions, completing code snippets, and helping with documentations. It's geared toward improving developer productivity by acting as an AI paired programmer. Developers can rely on it to speed up coding tasks, reduce errors, and find solutions to coding problems. ChatGPT, also powered by OpenAI's models, is more versatile and general purpose, capable of handling a wide range of tasks such as answering questions, assisting with content generation, language translation, and even engaging in detailed conversations. It's ideal for users who need a conversational AI that can perform various tasks across different industries, including education, customer service, creative writing, and more. Deepseek, on the other hand, is an AI tool designed for advanced knowledge extraction, information retrieval, and research purposes. It specializes in deep dives into datasets, analyzing complex information and providing insights in fields such as legal, financial, and scientific research. Deepseek is more tailored for professionals looking for specialized data analysis, document search, or research assistance. In my opinion, Copilot is best suited for developers looking for a coding assistance. ChatGPT is ideal for users needing a general-purpose, versatile AI assistance for a variety of tasks, and Deepseek is more tailored for professionals in research-heavy industries who need deeper insights and advanced information extraction. Your choice depends on whether you need coding help, general assistance, or specialized in research capabilities. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.